Hi, this is the part two of the solving question paper, October-November 25, paper two. We begin here solving question number 6. Which statement describes the formation of bonds in lithium bromide? Now, lithium is a metal group 1 element, so it can donate 1 electron, and bromine can accept 1 electron. Okay, so the first option A fits better. A lithium atom donates 1 electron to a bromine atom. Okay, now moving on to the seventh question. Which statement explains why solid magnesium is a good conductor of electricity? Let's read the options. A part, magnesium has a delocalized electrons that can move through the lattice. Yeah, magnesium is a metal. So here you will have delocalized electrons, which are responsible for its conduction. So A is the option. Yeah. Next question, eighth. The equation for the reaction between dilute ethanoic acid and aqueous lithium hydroxide. Now here they have given us the volume and the concentration of lithium hydroxide. We can calculate the number of moles of lithium hydroxide, which is 0.05 into 20, because this is in cm cube, we have to convert it into decimeter cube, so which will give me 0.001 moles. Okay, now which statement is correct? A, this is wrong because this is inverted. Now B, the amount of ethanoic acid reacted is 0.0. Yes, this is correct. Why? Because lithium hydroxide and uh, ethanoic acid are in ratio 1:1. So here we get whatever amount of lithium hydroxide is there, the same amount of ethanoic acid is there, which is 0.0010. Okay, moving on to the next. Molecular formula of 4 compounds are listed, and the question says which molecular formula are the empirical formula for the compounds as well. Now, what are the empirical formula? They are the simplest ratio. Okay, so here the empirical formula CH4 is CH4, and for C2H4 it is C2H6 it is CH3, C3H8 this is same, and C3H6 this will be CH2. So I get third one and the first one same empirical formula. So my answer is B. Okay, that's for today. Stay tuned for the rest part. Thank you.